Okay, our lesson for today is all about fractions, on how to subtract mixed numbers with dissimilar fractions o magkaiba ang denominators. Okay, we have an example number 1. 4 and 5 over 6 minus 3 and 2 over 7 equals, ayan. So, observe natin yung dalawang proper fraction natin, which is 5 over 6 and 2 over 7. Okay, magkaiba sila ng denominator. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, first step is to rewrite vertically. Okay, so we have 4 and 5 over 6 minus 3 and 2 over 7. Okay, and then the next step is to find the LCD. Okay, to find the LCD, we have to find the LCM of 6 and 7, or the least common multiple of 6 and 7. Okay, and the next multiple of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Multiple of 7, we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and 42. To find the LCD, pipiliin natin kung saan yung common multiple nila, yung pinakamalapit na common multiple, which is 42. Okay, so yung 42 na yan yung gagawin nating least common denominator or LCD. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, 4 and 5 over 6 minus 3 and 2 over 7. And then, get the equivalent fraction, we have 4. And then, yung denominator na 6, palitan natin ng 42. And then, we have 3. Denominator na 7, palitan natin ng denominator na 42, which is the LCD. Okay, and then the next one, okay, kakopy natin yung numerator na 5, and then, i-divide natin yung 42 divided by 6. The answer is 7. So, yun yung i-multiply natin doon sa 5 na numerator natin. So, magiging 5 times 7. Okay, the next step is, we have now the whole number 3, and then, the numerator is 2. I-rewrite natin yung numerator na 2, and then, divide natin. 42 divided by 7, the answer is 6. Yun yung i-multiply natin doon sa numerator na 2. So, we have 2 times 6. Okay, and then next, we simplify. Okay, we have 4, the whole number. 5 times 7 is 35, and then copy the denominator, 42. Minus, the whole number, 3, and then, the numerator, 2 times 6 is 12, and then copy the denominator, 42. And then, the next step is, isusubtract natin yung whole number. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Then, 35 minus 12 is 20. And then, copy the common denominator, 42. Final answer now is 1 and 23 over 42. Okay, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and to share. And click the bell on para ma-notify po kayo sa next upload. Thank you.